Okay, now we are going to study the assignment problem. So today we have to learn how to solve the assignment problem. So one problem is given here. The problem is solve the following assignment problem using Hungarian method. The matrix entries the represent the passing time, and here the operation 1 2 3 4 5 and job is job 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the given questions. Then how to solve the problem, this one. So we have to follow the some steps. So in the step 1, first of all, check the balance problem or not. So this is the given problem we have to solve. We have to check that this problem is given balance or not. So here the number of row is equal to number of column. So here is the, this is the row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. Here is the column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. So here the row is 5 and column is also 5. So number of row is equal to 5, then number of column is also 5. It means that the given problem is in balanced problem. So now go for the next step, row reduction. In row reduction, here is the operation 1 2 3 4 5. Here is also 1 2 3 4 5. So row reduction, see that here the first row the least value is 7. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Right here is 2. Next 11 minus 7. So least value is 7. 11 minus 7 so is 4. Right here is 4. And next 14 minus 7. Here is the 14 minus 7 is 7. Right here is 7. Next 11 minus 7 is also 4. And the 7 minus 7 is 0. Next second row, in second row the least value is 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Right here the 0. Next 15 minus 6 is 9. Right here is 9. And the next 13 minus 6 is 7. And here is also 13 minus 6 is 7. And 10 minus 6 is 4. Right. So now third row is least value is 6. So 12 minus 6 is 6. And the 13 minus 6 is 7. And 6 minus 6 is 0. Right here 0. And next 8 minus 6 is 2. Right here is 2. And next 8 minus 6 is 2. Right here is 2. Now the fourth row least value is 9. So 11 minus 9 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. And next 10 minus 9 is 1. Here is also 12 minus 9. This one 12 minus 9 is 3. And 9 minus 9 is 0. Next here that the fifth row is the least value is 7. So 7 minus 7 is 0. And the 12 minus 7 is 4. 12 minus 7 is 5. And the 14 minus 7 is 7. Right here 7. And next to 10 minus 7 is 3. Right here is 3. And next to 14 minus 7 is 7. Right here is 7. So the row reduction is complete. So firstly the first column in row reduction we have to see that the first column minimum value is 0. Here is also minimum value is 0. Here is also minimum value is 0. The fourth column also minimum value is 2. And the fifth column minimum value is 0. So after complete row reduction, go for the next step in column reduction. In column reduction, so see that here the row reduction is minimum value is 0. So same value we have to copy in the first column. So here is 2, here is 0, here is 6, here is 2, here is also 0. So now also second column also we are getting 0. The same value we have to copy here, the 4, 9, 7, 0 and 5. Here is also same value we are getting, the minimum value is 0, third column. So same value we have to copy here, 7, 7, 0, 1 and this one also 7. And the fourth column we are getting the minimum value is 2, not 0. So then 4 minus, here is the 4 minus 2 is right here 2. 7 minus 2 is 5, right here the 5, and the 2 minus 2 is 0, right here 0, and 3 minus 2 is 1, right here 1, and 3 minus 2 also 1. And fifth column also we are getting 0, same value we have to write here, 0, 4, 2, 0, 7. After complete the step third, means column reduction, then we have to cut the maximum 0. So first see that the first row 1 0, but this one column we have to cut this column, fifth column, so we are cutting the 2 0. So cut this one, this is the maximum 0, and next second row and second column, second row, here is the 1 0, but we are cutting the column, so we are getting that 2 0, maximum 0 is 2. So here is also you cut like this one, here is also 1 0, you cut like this one. So here 1 2 3 4. So this is the, now after cutting this 0, go for the next step, check for the non-degeneracy. So number of cutting line is equal to number of row. Number of cutting line 1 2 3 4. So number of cutting line is 4, here is equal to number of row is 1 2 3 4 5 is 5. So number of cutting line is not equal to number of row. Then after go for the next step, that is the step 4. This is the step 5th, is modify matrix. So here we are getting that 4 not equal to 5, so then we are going to step 5th, modify matrix. So here see that here we are getting that uncut number, see that the uncut number 7 2 7 5 1 1 7 1. So in uncut number the minimum value or least value is 1. So here we have to same value, here we are getting that, see that here we are getting the plus sign, here is also getting the plus sign, and here also getting the plus sign. So where we are getting the plus sign, we have to minimum value we have to add. Here is the plus sign is 6, 6 plus 1 7. So here is not getting the plus sign, same value we have to copy here. So 2, here is also 0, so write here 0, here is 6, but we are getting the plus sign. So 6 plus 1 is 7, right here is 7, 7. Next 2, next here is 0, right here is 0. Next here is also 4, here is 9, here also we are getting that 7, so 7 plus 1, 7, we are getting the plus sign. So 7 plus 1 is 8, right here the 8, and next here is 0, right here 0, here also we are getting 5, here right here the 5. So now here is uncut number 7 and minimum value is 1. So here we have to subtract, 7 minus 1 is 6, right here is 6, here is also 7 minus 1 is 6, and 0, right here the 0, here is the 1 minus 1 0, and 7 minus 1 is 7 minus 1 is 6, minimum value is 1. So here is also uncut number 2 and minimum value is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 5 minus 1 is right here 4, 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0, here is also 1 minus 1 is 0, here is also 0, here is 0, 4, 0, 4, and here is 2, here is 2, 2, here we are getting the plus sign, 2 or plus 1 3, this is the 3, 0, and 7. After complete this one, modify matrix, we have to cut the maximum 0. See that here the maximum 0 is 2, cut this one 2, and next one also we have to cut this one, maximum 0 is here 2, maximum 0 is cut, and here is also is cutting, here is also okay, done. So after complete modify matrix, go for the next step, check for the non-degeneracy. Number of cutting line is equal to number of row. Number of cutting line is 1 2 3 4, and one more is this 0 is also cut this one. this 0 is also cutting. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So number of cutting line is equal to 5, number of row is equal to also 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5 is equal to 5. So here we are getting the number of cutting line is equal to number of 5 is cutting. So after complete this one, go for the next step, step 7, optimal solution. So how to find the optimal solution? Here is the job is given, operation is we have to find, and time. So operation 1 2 3 4 5 and job is 1 2 3 4 5. So here the job. So first 0 is you have to take this one 0, means 5, operation is 5. Second this one 0 is 1, operation is 1. Third one is third, this one 0 is third. And fourth one is this one, this 0 means 2, fourth one is 2. And fifth is this one is fourth, this is the fourth. So see that the time, fifth one, see the questions. Here the questions we have to write the questions, 1 2 3 operation 1 2 3 4 5 and job 1 2 3 4 5. This is the we have to copy the questions here. So see that the operation job 1 operation 5, job 1 operation 5 is 7, this one 7. So right here is 7. Next second one operation 1, second one operation 1 is this one, operation 1 6, this is the 6. And the third one is third, so 13, sorry 6, this one is 6, third one is 6 also. And next fourth one is second operation, fourth one is second operation is 9, this one is 9. And fifth one operation is, so the fifth one operation is 4, fifth one operation is 4, this one C 10. So this is the complete answer. Okay, thank you very much.